Welcome to the Flowtify HACCP App tutorials. In this episode, we explain how to use remeasurements after a deviation.
If a deviation has occurred, it may be necessary to perform a follow-up check. If you should be asked for a remeasurement, after confirming the entered value, you will see a countdown. The countdown indicates for how long you have to wait until it's time for the remeasurement. Pressing the blue button takes you back to the checklist overview. You can devote yourself to other activities in the meantime. We will remind you of the remeasurement when the time has come. Once you see the alarm bell, you have two options: either go straight to the task or taking care of the issue later. Let's assume you can't take care of the problem immediately. Until then, the checklist that includes the remeasurement will flash yellow to remind you of an open remeasurement. To solve the open issue, click on the checklist and then select the yellow flashing task. If the re-entered value should now be within the allowed set points, the task will be marked green, successful. However, if the value deviates from the given set point again, an action instruction may be displayed. Confirm the instruction and state what measures you have taken. You can either choose an answer from the list, or enter your own explanation by selecting Other. Be as precise as possible so that superiors can act accordingly. The task will now be displayed at the top of the checklist and highlighted in orange since the remeasurement was not successful.
We hope this tutorial was exactly what you were looking for. Give it a like if it was helpful. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date about new features.